Hi dear students, how are you all? I hope everyone are doing great. Today we are going to see the poem My Shadow. It is written by Robert Louis Stevenson. Have you ever seen shadows? Yes, most probably we have seen our own shadows so many times, right? Here the poet, he just imagined himself as a small boy and describing his own shadow. Let's move to the first paragraph. I have a little shadow that goes in and out with me, and what can be the use of him is more than I can see. He is very like me from the heels up to the head, and I see him jump before me when I jump into my bed. Here the poet, he is telling that wherever I go, my shadow used to follow me. If I go in, it will come in. If I go out, it will come out. In the next line, he is telling that what is the use of my shadow? I can see my shadow anytime, except that there is no use of my shadow. The third line, he is conveying that my shadow is same like me. The shape, everything, it seems like me from head to toe. The last line of the first paragraph, he is telling to us, when I am going to take rest to my bed, before me he jumped on the bed. Actually, if you are going to the bed, you can see the shadow on the bed, right? This one, he is comparing that before me, my shadow, it jumped on the bed. Let's see the second paragraph of this poem. The funniest thing about him is the way he likes to grow, not at all like proper children, which is always very slow, for he sometimes stood up taller like an Indian rubber ball, and he sometimes gets so little that there is none of him at all. In the second paragraph, the poet, he is telling one funniest thing about the poet's shadow. What is the funniest thing? The way the shadow it's used to grow. If you are looking at the normal children, they used to take long years to reach this much level, right? But if you are looking at shadow, it's very often it's used to change its size. Sometimes it's small, sometimes it's big, sometimes you couldn't find the shadow. This is how very often the shadow it's changing its size. This is the funniest thing the writer he is telling to us about the shadow. Then let's move to the next paragraph. He hasn't got a notion of how children ought to play, and can only make a fool of me in every sort of way. He stays so close beside me, he is a coward, you can see. I did think shame to stick to nursie as that shadow sticks to me. The third paragraph, the poet, he is describing about his shadow. He is telling that if you are looking at the normal children, they are always want to play with other children, right? But my shadow, it's not going with them, it's not mingling with them, it's always checking me wherever I go. So he is thinking that his shadow is a coward one. So he is telling to us, my shadow, it's a coward one, it's always checking at my back, it's not moving here and there, it's not even playing with the children. Then one more point, he is telling that my shadow, it's like a nursie. Nursie means the taker. The caretaker, wherever they go, they used to take care of the baby, they used to run behind the baby, right? Here he is comparing his shadow to the nursie. By the boy, wherever he is going, it's used to follow him, it sticks besides him. It didn't leave the shadow, it didn't leave him. That's why he compared his shadow to the nursie, as well as he is telling that his shadow is a coward one, always making me fool. It don't have any interest to play with other children. Let's move to the last paragraph of this poem. One morning, very early before the sun was up, I rose and found the shining dew on every buttercup. But my lazy little shadow, like an errant sleepyhead, he stayed at home behind me and was fast asleep in bed. One day the poet, the little boy who woke up early in the morning before sun arise, and he went to the garden to see all the beautiful flowers. All the flowers were filled with dew waters. While he was searching his shadow, he couldn't find, and he was telling to us that my shadow, it was a sleepy head, so it didn't come to the place. Actually, what is the reason? Do you imagine? If we are under the sun, we can see our shadow. If we are under the light, we can see our shadow. Early morning, there was a darkness, so the boy, he couldn't find his shadow. This is the reason, the boy who didn't find his shadow. This is how the writer, he ended his poem.